I never seen that before. And you got it on film.
I got it on film.
Oh.
Believe it or not, I got that whole thing on film.
Oh, you're kidding. We tried to come along, and we couldn't pull it, so we said, we'll let it by to the tree. Oh, fuck!
You're so good, your fans love them, and you're able to help somebody with their career. King of All Blacks, go ahead.
Yeah, I was just curious. How do you think you're going to go? Like, and, you know, how do you think, I know it's,
$87.75. Then you take away a 3-gallon jug of whiskey, too, to be found under a wagon. We can start to come through the woods. The king said, take it all around and lay it over.
This is a 65 interchange right here, so this will take him down. He has a choice here of taking the 60 or the 5 at this point through the East LA interchange. And here he goes pushing through traffic and continuing down and get through the interchange here, see which way he takes as he comes down through here. It's just a massive different freeways going. Oh, losing control into the side wall, smash, overturned car, boom, on fire. You see other car trying to stop. That car hit very, very hard, on fire. As we come to a stop here right in the East LA interchange, see if the driver gets...
A freight train carrying chemicals has derailed and crashed in Baltimore. The train struck a truck northeast of the city, injuring the truck driver and sparking a massive fire. Around 15 carriages derailed and caught alight, sending a thick plume of black smoke into the air.
Lemonade, I got a bottle of wine from Argentina. Fusion, red wine. Oh, what a...
Did it crash?
Yeah.
You have cars on 53rd Street going 55 miles an hour. They do not have to stop. And on 119th Street, you have cars doing 55 miles an hour as well, but they do have to stop. You know, oh my gosh! There's
God damn, you're a dumbass!
716, I'll start toward Richard from Malvern Mike.
Okay, we just had an accident here on the bypass.
A chain reaction crash in South LA caught on tape. An earlier accident left a car in one lane of the 110 freeway near 51st Street. Some drivers managed to avoid it, others couldn't. No serious injuries have been reported.
That man's going to be stopping at, hold on, southbound 29 at Prelude. And again, no tags. It's just got the Batman seal on the vehicle. It's a black Lamborghini and a driver dressed as Batman. You can send me Robin if you wish. So the kids like this? Yeah. So, okay, Batman. Okay. Okay.
How are you? Good.
You can get down to Georgetown Hospital, okay, brother?
Driver's license?
Yeah, I'm gonna run it. What you got on there, brother? Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Well, we're just gonna take a few seconds.
Okay.
Lenny, do you mind if I take a picture, brother?
Not at all.
Batman, da 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 da.
All right.